Good morning, everybody. CPI report in just 3 minutes. Are you ready for a big morning? Welcome, everybody, here on YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, around the world, TikTok, my website. Welcome to all of you. Live Streamer Cafe. Welcome, everybody, for a massive morning this morning. CPI, just 3 minutes away. We need to see inflation come down. Inflation running right now at 5.5. The consensus is year on year at 5.6. The forecast is 5.5. We want to see it come down. We want to see 5.4, 5.3. Inflation rate year on year is 6%. That's now down 5.2. Let's see that come below 5. Don't see it happening, but we're hoping for the best. We're hoping for the best. The Fed can't lose this war. They've got to keep tightening. If we see inflation getting out of control, remember, even if inflation doesn't come down, and if it doesn't go up, this is still bad news. The markets need to see inflation coming down. We've had a long time now of tightening from the Fed. We need to see some results. 2 minutes away. Welcome, everybody. So, someone just asked me on TikTok, have I called the VORB CEO yet? Am I supposed to have called the VORB CEO? No idea. Anyway, CPI report back in 1 minute, 30 seconds. Get ready. Yes, I have the music running. 22. One minute to go. All right, let's wind up the music and let's bring you back into the show in just a few seconds now. Just a minute to go now before we release the CPI data. And we are running at the moment at 5.2 inflation rate year on year, previous 6%. We want to see it come down. Core inflation rate 5.5 was now 5 points. Consensus is 5.6. Forecast 5.5. Got the CPI data as well. It'll all refresh in just a few moments' time. In 30 seconds, let me bring you out of this screen so we get ready for it. Welcome, good morning, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to our show this morning. And here we go. We're watching the market. You see it just going down. It's not really moving at the moment. It's just bouncing all around the zero. The reaction will come in about 15 seconds. Get ready for it. Thank you for everyone smashing the love over there on TikTok. Here we go. 3 seconds to go. Let's have a look. Here we go. Any moment now, it'll refresh. Let's go over to our Bloomberg feed. We're listening in. We're watching.
I've been in and seen it.
Lots of Bloombergs. Lots of Bloomberg. Lots of Bloomberg.
We're listening in now. Up the info. Hang on a minute.
I've seen the Bloomberg. I've seen
the portfolio has just jumped up. What are we seeing? Let's refresh the screen. Okay, inflation rate month on month reported at 0.01, consensus was 0.2. United States core inflation rate reported at 5.6, consensus was 5.6. And inflation reported at 5%, consensus was 5.2, previously 6. This is great news. Inflation is coming down. The markets are loving it. This is great, fantastic news. So core inflation rate year on year 5.6, actual previous 5.5. The inflation rate the actual is 5, previous 6%. The inflation rate month on month, it was previous was 0.4%. It's now 0.1. This is great news. Core inflation rate was 0.5. It's now 0.4. This is absolutely fantastic. Great news indeed. The markets, are you in this morning? You should be in slightly better. Slightly better. That's all we want. We want something in the right direction. Fantastic. So let's go over to I'm so excited. This is brilliant. Okay, finally. So if you're in right now, you're loving this. There goes my Roth IRA. Look, it's up. And 51,600, a new all-time high. My high was 51,400. 51,400, we're now at 51,600. Absolutely great. So I have got 99% of my money in the market, and that's where it wants to be when this happens. Great. Absolutely great. Straight line up. Look at that. Fantastic. Okay. This is why I remained in. This is what I was expecting and hoping for. Brilliant. Everything is just going up. Look at that, 610. I could easily hit 52,000 today. This is an all-time high for me. And let's have a look at the stocks. Let's go through. So let's repeat the information again. Previous core inflation, 5.5. This is year on year, 5.6 now. Inflation rate year on year, 6%. It's now down to 5%. Brilliant. Inflation rate month on month, 0.4. Inflation rate now is 0.1. Dramatic change on that figure. And the core inflation rate month on month was 0.5. It's now down to 0.4. Absolutely brilliant. Okay, great. Let's watch the stocks. Let's see what's moving. So obviously now the first thing that you do is you don't buy anything. You're already in. Now you could add to your position if you wanted to, but I don't do that. There's always a pullback. I've got 99% of my money already invested. I'm not looking to dump the last $3,000 I've got. Remember my situation here. I'm keeping the buying power in my brokerage account because that's my cash to pay the bills. It's only there from my bank because I'm earning 4.4% rather than the bank giving me nothing. So I don't want to use that money. So there's no money there to spend. That's just money to keep. The only money I have is the $2,500. But let's be honest, I've got $90,000 invested. What's wrong with keeping a couple of grand, in dry powder? So I don't want to put every single penny. I mean, it's 99.9%. Look at that. I said it would hit 52. It's about to do that. Absolutely great. There you go. This could trigger the bull market right now. This doesn't mean we're in a bull market. This is a bear market rally still. However, this is the beginning of the signs of a bull market. This is very, very exciting. Very exciting indeed. So I don't have to buy anything, chase anything. I'm already in. Let's go through our positions and see what's to do. Right, who we got here? Good morning, Martin. Some Stephen Lewandowski. Moves for financials today. Andrew Grimm, indeed. Mike, how are you? Mike is looping 3,100 hours now on my music. I will check again later today. 22. You still have your music running. He was talking from earlier. Stephen Lewandowski. Yes. Did you see my DM? Yes, I did. Sensei, thank you very much indeed. Dra, hello everyone. Wow, seems good. Slightly better, says 22. Slightly better is fantastic right now. Good morning, Martin and everyone. Good morning, everyone. Remember, this will probably mean, this is my prediction, that the Fed will do one final tightening. One final tightening. They don't want to give up on this. We know what happened in the past when we brought interest rates down. It went right back. So this is the best time to be in the market. Many of you, Bill was saying yesterday, he gave up, sold out. It's the worst thing to do. You've gone through the pain for such a long period of time. We go through a period of hitting the bottom. I said my portfolio bottomed in December, which it did. Look at my position here. This is the live position. This is the day. This is the week. We're up on the week. We're up on the month. Look at the months now. Look, there you go. 4.59. Up on 3 months. 4.26. Year to date, I'm up 9.34. Virtually an all-time high this year. This is fantastic. As you can see. So look, if I look now at the year position, It's been nothing up all year. We bottomed out in December, at least my portfolio did. This is very, very good news. If we do one more rate hike, and that would be responsible from the Fed, that will start to bring inflation down on a greater scale. So this is great. This is really, really good news. I don't want to be buying in now. I'm already in, and I'm already enjoying it, which is great. Fantastic. So there we go. Looking great. Where are we now? Just a slight pullback. Here it goes. 51,716. There's bound to be some profit taken, but I don't see much of a pullback today. This is good news for the markets. Everyone's got to love this. There's no reason at all why this would sell off today. This could be a nice little rally. And the biggest rally I ever saw on my portfolio was 20% in a day. That was the most my portfolio ever rallied. I would say today a 10% is possible, which would take me nearly to $60,000. We shall see. I don't know if that's going to happen. That's extremely bullish, but we shall see. We shall see what happens. Good time to take profits, in my opinion. FOMC minutes later. We will be watching that. I've already trimmed off the top all my stocks, so I'm not doing that at all. I'm just leaving and looking for opportunities to buy back, because whatever sells off will give me a discount to buy back in again. Blimey, Martin, there are loads of reasons it could sell off. Of course there are reasons it could sell off. People will take profits. I understand what you're saying, but I'm talking about my portfolio. I'm not selling anything. I've already trimmed off. The only thing I'm selling is... Let me share with you what I'm selling. I will be selling Tesla at 195. Only one share, just to trim it off. Check out that Amazon we bought yesterday. Let's have a little look. Amazon. Let's scroll on in. Apple, Amazon. There we go. Now then, Amazon. Yes, I wanted to sell it around here. So let me take 2. Sell Amazon. Limit order, 101, 2 shares, allowed to execute in after hours, review order, sell, 2 shares there. Not again. Robin Hood, you're really pissing me off now. This is unacceptable. Flipping heck unacceptable. Am I pissed or what? Yes, I am, because these security checks are getting ridiculous. It's set for 30 days. Why are you doing this? Only select option if you want. Yes. Stop. I am extremely pissed when this happens. You got no idea how pissed I am. It's preventing me from trading right now. I am going to have to call Robinhood and put in a major complaint here. This is unacceptable. Ridiculous. Every flipping morning doing this to me. This is unacceptable. So you can see what's happened now, folks. Basically, Robinhood has a situation right now where it keeps logging me out consistently every flipping day, and it's getting unacceptable. I am really pissed. Really, really pissed with this. So excuse my French, but I am. Tell me that's just an error and I'm actually logged in. How can you trade like this? Yes, do. I mean, I'm making money, it's great, but it's very frustrating. It's preventing me from the anguish I've ever seen. Yeah, I'm really annoyed. How can you trade like this when the app every single day logs out the moment you want to start trading? That's absolutely flipping ridiculous. I mean, do you know how long it takes me to set up all the show? It's something to do with Google Chrome. It's forgetting that I'm already logged in. Oh, man. So, anyway, Let's just put you back on this screen. And of course, because of security, I've got all my screens lighting up with security checks. I can't show on the screen, obviously, expose my account numbers. It makes it very hard for me to stream in this situation. I know that's not Robinhood's concern about streaming the interface. That's not really their concern. However, it's making my life bloody difficult when I'm trying to present a show and trying to trade and invest. It's an absolute bloody joke. I would have just sold flipping my Amazon there. Oh, this is a major flipping issue. Yeah. Well, it's real, folks. You say the passion is real, the passion, but it's, of course, it's real. It's real situation, isn't it? Ah, right. Now then. It's very hard to try to work out how best to... Oh, my God. What a bloody joke. What a bloody joke. There's nothing I can do about it, obviously, until there's an update. For some reason, Google Chrome is forgetting the fact I'm logged in, and every day it relogs me out. I mean, it's a flipping joke, isn't it? Anyway... Let me go over to my Roth IRA and see if I can try to sell those Amazon shares. That was the idea. Opportunity's gone now. Oh, what a flipping joke. It doesn't matter, really, long term, but it's not the point. Okay, well, we'll just watch it there. Good afternoon, Dave Mottram. How are you? Well, that's gonna lead me now to doing extra checks in the morning to see if I can do a trade. So every morning from now on until things settle down, I will act out a trade every morning, and that's what I'll do. Okay. Extra steps in the morning. Well, we got to do it, haven't we? Okay, there we go. That brings you back to there. Okay, so hopefully everything's back now. So now I've got to refresh these screens. We're watching it. If we can go back up again, let's take. We'll take a profit from it. It's going straight back up anyway. I mean, it's not a major deal. It's not the point though. It's and just annoys me. Anyway, it's probably going to bounce back up anyway. But the point is, I would have bought lower. That's the idea. I would have kept buying it down, but never mind. So anyway, good news. If you look at let's read some of these comments here. If you look at the CPI breakdown, it's pretty much all due to oil price disinflation. The data isn't as bullish as it seems from the headline figure. No, I appreciate that. But it all comes down to whether you think the war is going to end this year. And I do. I think sooner than later. And when that ends, we've got 20% pump on that alone. And that will ease, and that will help oil as well dramatically. So I'm remaining bullish. I'm remaining the same. I'm not going to change my outlook on anything. I'm still fully invested. I think ultimately, if you believe in investing, you believe in investing through the thick and thin. For me, I'm always remaining in, always keeping money on hand so I can buy dips, prepared for a much bigger drop. I understand that, and just always stay involved. For me, that's the way it goes. Okay, I think we're pretty much back on par now. There we go. We've got most of our windows back in again. So let's go through and have a quick look at what we need to move around. I think we're good. So we're trying to sell now. 0.74, just dropping off a little bit. The S&P is up. Virgin Galactic is up. Virgin Orbit, forget it. Right now I've got information that was delayed from yesterday. Not ready to bring it out yet. Rivian, Tesla, I wanted to sell at 195, so it's a little bit short, a little bit more to go, and I will sell, go to my brokerage position there. Lucid, apologize for the lens flashes, you're going to get a little bit of that for a minute. Amazon, yeah, I lost the opportunity, I'm afraid. Let's go back to my Roth IRA. That's where I want to sell a couple. McDonald's, still too expensive, 9.73. Looking for a discount. I've got all my orders placed everywhere to buy anything that dips today. Not expecting anything really dramatic there. Tesco, Next Era Energy, Enphase, Bitcoin. Let's adjust that. There we go. 30,241. Tilray. I'm going to bring everyone's comments back on the screen when I finish refreshing. IonQ, Canute, Ford, Rio Tinto. All right, let's go back to the main overall position of the S&P. Right, let's bring in your comments. Hi, Dave. Steve Lewandowski. How are you? Welcome. 51,651 right now. So we're up $250 today, all-time high again. Dave, good morning. Dave Mottram is here. Sid, hello there, said Sid. If you look at the CPI data breakdown, it's pretty much all down to oil price disinflation. Thank you very much indeed for that 22. Hi, Sid, says Mike. Let's welcome our guests in. We always like to do this. Like to be international, global, in fact. Oh, that's not right. Try that again. Okay, here we go. Let's go into English, and we want to send a message to our French guests in today. Here we go. CPI beat today. Everything's looking good. Let me come back out of that a minute. Take you here. Right, there we go. Welcome all our guests from around the world, and especially in France today. Good morning, Sid. There we go. Welcome all our guests from around the world.
Bienvenue, je suis tous nos invités du monde entier, et particulièrement de France aujourd'hui. Bonjour Sid.
Even if the war ends, there'll still be sanctions on Russia for a very long time, correct? Correct, I agree. Hi, Sid Silver. Silver, Mike, Dave. Welcome. Ed Nevius, here he is, star of the hour. Silver Surfer, welcome everyone. Hi, Ed, my mug is on the way. Did you order a mug? Did someone order a mug? If you did, it will be in the merchandise. No one's ordered a mug. I'm just checking. No one's ordered a mug. Let me go to the breakfast bar and bring everybody in this morning. So what have we got this morning? Today at 5:36. Blimey, you guys were early. Here we go. Good God, Robin Hood. Yeah, I know. Absolute pain in the arse, right? Malk UK. Hi, Ed. I like that. Jim Kramer. Very, very good indeed. Good morning, Mike. Right, I've got through all the comments. We lost our opportunity to sell Amazon this morning. I would have sold 2 and took some profit and then done it again, but never mind. It might be a good thing anyway. What's the CPI? Join us on YouTube. I'll share with you. Yeah, I lost the opportunity. I'm really annoyed. Hoping for a BTC breakout today. So let's go into the breakfast bar. Here we go. Oh, look at this. This is from, who's this from this morning? This is from Eric B. in the breakfast bar this morning. There we go. There's Eric B. Look at that. Lovely breakfast. Look what he's got on the telly. There you go. Good bit of TV there. Eric B. Welcome. Mike, nice one, Eric. Good morning, Silver Surfer. Thank you ever so much, everybody, for going in the... Look at this. This is Stephen Lewandowski with a wonderful breakfast, his computer, his day trader mug. Look at that. These are the stars of the show. Brick Mark, Jason Fallon. Maybe we get a bull run so I can eat like Stephen. Brilliant. Yeah. Well, thank you very much, Robin Hood, for doing that to me. I mean, it's one thing having security checks, but it's another having it log me out every single day. But anyway, so tomorrow I will endeavour to initiate a sale before I go online and make sure that I am logged in. First thing, before I load up all my windows. So anyway, I'll turn it to my advantage. Every disadvantage I turn to an advantage. I will just hold back now, and I will sell Amazon for even more. So there you go. Let's see if I can pull that off. Just a couple of shares. That's all I want to do. All right. Anyway, how many have we got in the show so far this morning? Just 59 so far. Welcome, everybody. We've had, 59 through the show so far. Smash the like button if you wouldn't mind. If it's your very first time here, we're going to watch. Where did it peak? I'm just going to sell it. In fact, I'm going to just watch it and wait now. Now I'm feeling like stuff it. I'm going to stuff it to Robinhood. I'm going to make more money out of it when it goes up even more. Right, let's go back to the main portfolio. And there we go. Yeah, we're going back up again. A slight profit taking there. 51,664, new all-time high. This is good. So what I'm expecting now, let's have a look. I'm going to run a poll in the chat. What do you think is likely to be the Fed rate hike? Now, I've got my thoughts on it. I think it'll do one more, and then it'll say afterwards in the meeting, the press interview, that it's going. Excuse me, that it's going to look at not increasing anymore. That's what I think will happen. Let me do a poll here. So that's coming up in a couple of weeks' time. Start a poll. FOMC rate hike. What do you think it will be now? So 0, no rate hike. In fact, bring it down. We'll give you that as an option as well. So down. Reduce the rate by any amount. We'll just call it down, or 0%. 0%. We'll also give you an option of 0.25 or 0.5. There we go. That's 4 options I can give you. So is the rate hike on the next FOMC report going to come down? Is it going to be 0, so no rate hikes at all? 0.25 or 0.5? There you go. Running a poll now in the chat. I just... Oh, you placed an order, silver. Well, the reason why it probably hasn't gone through Discord is it probably, until it's processed, they've got to make the mug. Spring have to make the mug. So you have ordered. You were being serious. I thought you were joking. So they will actually do a once the order's gone through, then it will show on Discord. That's probably why. There we go. Anyway, nice one, Silver Surfer. I can't believe you finally bought one. I find that quite funny. Brilliant. Okay, here we go. Malk, not yet. We'll keep you updated. Hi, Keaton. Keaton S, welcome. Space going up again. Yes, 80% I'm saying flight this week. Sensei, good stuff. Good morning, Malk UK. Let's have a look at our crypto challenge this morning as we're watching... the overall, we're actually watching Virgin Galactic. Let's go into our Coinbase. This is our crypto challenge. 1,158. We just dropped a little bit today, but we're coming back up again. So there we go, 1,158. Overall, a great performance from our crypto challenge. Let's look at my ledger. 1,121, 1,133. Very nice indeed. Let's look at the heat map. This is good. And this is 15 minutes behind. Everything is up. Tesla. So you can see Tesla doing well. I do want to share or sell a share of Tesla. However, profit taking is one thing. It might be worth letting it run for a little while. We've got 35 minutes to go. Let's have a look. Let's read some of the comments. So no need to put down or 0.5, 0% chance. I agree. I think 0.25. I said it before you started voting. Paul B, good morning to you. CPI, great result. Thank you very much, whoever is smashing the 100% like. Really helps the channel when you tap away doing that. Thank you very much indeed. When everyone taps the little loves in the chat, it sends YouTube a signal to share the video out, very much like it does on TikTok. So thank you very much for doing that. I read an article today by Source New Mexico that Spaceport America is making moves to build a reception center, though it's still in the bidding process. Not sure what the status is at the moment. Yes, they are looking at doing hotels as well. That's the big thing, not the flights, the families, the experiences around space travel. That's what it's all about, Sid. You're on the right lines there, mate. Only because Ed sends you money for it. So me and Ed are both out of pocket. Don't get flying away to Bahamas with it. No, I make a couple of bucks on a mug. So it's yeah, but I'm happy. I'm happy because you finally got one. You can join the mug club. All right, Lucas Mugs. What's it called? Martyn's Mugs. That's it. Mike 5000 and Stephen. Not sure what that means, Paul B. How are you this morning? Back ordered Paul is here. Yeah, he is. What the hell is the heart on the bottom of my screen? Tap it. It promotes the channel. That's what it does. Push it, Paul. Push it. No, I'm not doing it. He said, I'm not doing it. I'm not promoting your bloody channel. Any updates on Vor, brother? Maximilian, yes, coming out today. Was delayed from yesterday. Yes, updates on Vor. Can you put don't know as an option on some of your polls, as I have no clue whatever of any of the stuff. I really need to learn. You're learning every day. We're all learning together. And part 2 of his comment, guess one of my options now in order to remove the poll, as I can't see the chat until I choose one. Guess one of the options now in order to remove the poll, as I can't see the chat until I choose one. No, you don't have to choose one. You just tap it and it goes away. You just tap it and it goes away. You don't have to choose an option, Keaton S. No, you don't. You don't have to do that. You don't have to vote. It doesn't force you to vote. We're not forcing people to vote today. All right, watch. I've got a new screen. I've got a new option. So we've got inflation rate, CPI going down, and my prediction today is I'll do it in red. 0.25. There's my prediction, 0.25%. That's what I said this morning. Very, very nice indeed. And nice to see you all this morning. Welcome back, Paul. It's been a while. There you go. Welcome back, Paul. Anyway, very, very nice indeed. Oh, really? We'll try that next time. Didn't know that. Cheers. You're welcome. Not me, do you? What's going on here? Let me go back to... there was something I was going to do this morning. What was I going to do? Forget what I was going to do now. There was something I was going to do. I can't remember. Right, let me have a quick look while we're watching Tesla, because we're looking to do a quick trade. Amazon as well. We had an opportunity. It went down again, but nevertheless, so bloody annoying. So annoying, but let it go. Let it go. Doesn't matter. I've got to fix it, though. Can't have Robin Hood doing that to me every morning. No, but curious to see what's about to happen, potentially, to be worth... will flood crypto market. Shanghai upgrade in 8 hours for Ethereum. Very nice indeed. We'll do a video on that then. We'll do a video on that. If you want to call in at some point, we'll discuss the Ethereum upgrade, and anyone else who wants to contribute to that. It'd be nice to have more guests call in as well at the same time. Let me open the broadcast lounge and we can make a video on Ethereum upgrade today. So the broadcast lounge is open. If we can make a 6-7 minute video, I'll have Ethereum on the screen and we can discuss it. All right? Okay. Let's have a look at my overall portfolio. It's popped up. It's fallen back a little bit. We've got half an hour to go. If you've just tuned in, welcome to all of you. Click subscribe and ring the bell. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're here. That really, really helps the channel. And here's Mr. Mini-Me and asking you for... requesting a like. It really helps the channel. Right, the S&P. I was in every intention of selling 2 shares of Amazon on that pump, and I was going to sell 1 share of Amazon, but we'll get another chance at it. Anyway, we've learned from that. From now on, I'll be checking regularly. All right, the broadcast lounge is open. Let's have a quick look. Let's go back to the figures. Those who just tuned in for CPI. So CPI now, core inflation, actually is 5.6, previous 5.5. That's year on year. Inflation rate, previous year on year, 6%. The inflation rate was 6%, and it's now 5%. That's good. Very, very nice indeed. Inflation rate previous was 0.4. It's now 0.1. So inflation, remember, that means inflation is still going up, but a much reduced number. What we want to see is minus a number. That's what we want, and that's why I think the Fed are going to do a 0.25. Let's look at the poll right now. The poll is 75%, 0.25. No one, 7% say down. 7% say down, 7% say 0.5. No one says nothing, do nothing at all. But the majority of you are saying 0.75. Yes, I predict that. That's what I think. Thank you very much for taking part in the poll this morning. All right. Okay. Very exciting. We'll come back over to the broad, what am I going to say? What is wrong with my brain? Over to the breakfast lounge. Mike's in there with his bit. Oh, I like that. That looks good. I like the breakfast lounge this morning. What I like about that is the way the butter is melting into the bread. If that's proper Anchor butter, none of your processed, none of your rubbish American butter. Proper New Zealand Anchor butter that's full of cream that melts into the bread. Oh, that's what you want. That's what you want. If you get that, then you're on a winner. All right, that's what I say. You're on a winner. Okay, let's read more information here. You'll never see a minus number for the headline rate. That would be disastrous. They wanted it too. Of course, I'm talking about the rate coming down. Yes. We need inflation at 2%. That's the Fed's target. We need the Fed's target. I'm talking about the inflation rate coming down. Good for the heart, indeed. Good old-fashioned food. Right, Tesla's moving up again. Are we going to get an opportunity here for Amazon? Yeah, look at that. It's so annoying, isn't it? I was going to sell it at 101. I mean, basically, I'd lost $2. That's what it cost me, but it's annoying. Guernsey butter is what you want. Guernsey butter. Ooh, those Guernsey brown cows. I've seen them. I've been to Guernsey. I've seen the Guernsey brown cows. Lovely stuff. Sorry, not Guernsey. I went to Jersey. I saw the Jersey brown cows. I haven't been to Guernsey, but I'm sure it's lovely. Oh, lovely. Lovely. HEB. What is HEB? HEB butter. What is that, Eric B? What is that? Right then, shall we have a quick look at our competition this morning? Has anyone gone and taken their tickets, their daily tickets? 565. If it hasn't gone up, you've missed out on some tickets this morning. 565 is now 567. Yes, a couple of you are very smart. You've gone in and claimed your daily bonuses. Very good. And remember, we had this discussion the other day with 22. He was saying, I'm not going to enter the competition. There's no point because people get lots of tickets like Mike. And of course, that's not the way to look at it. You can win the lottery with 1 ticket. Do you not enter the lottery because someone down the road buys 100 tickets? Of course not. You still buy a lottery ticket, right? You can enter for free. You can win with 1 ticket. However, if you are a fan of the show and you want more chances to win and you love the prize, then you might decide, I want to get some more tickets. Why not? It's free. 567. There we go. So go and make sure, scroll down and make sure that you've got all ticks and make sure you've done things correctly, because sometimes a ticket will be invalid if you've not entered the correct comment or whatever. So you don't want to miss out on that, all right? Make sure that you read all the information and do it right, right? And I'm talking to, of course, when I say do it right, I'm talking especially to Eric, all right? Eric, sort it out. Sort it out, Eric, okay? Eric, sort it out. Make sure that you are actually doing it properly, okay? I think I fixed my comment on the Tilray video. Can I have my entries back? Yes, you did. You did finish. You did do it correct, and you've got your full points now, indeed. All right, Mike 5000 steals all my entries. You only need one entry to win. We're giving away $100 in cash and 15 hours of one-on-one training with Ed Nevius to learn all about candles, charts, the whole shooting match. All right, so everyone should enter. It's our best ever. It's our best ever giveaway. Queen of Celebrating. Queen of Celebrating. You're helping the channel and you're also helping yourself. It's the best ever giveaway we've ever done. Queen of Celebrating. I think the Queen might have missed it. Let me tell the Queen about it. Here are Queen. This is our new giveaway page, martynlucas.com/giveaway. We're giving away our very best ever competition. It's free to enter, free for all. You only need one ticket to win. It's 15 hours of one-on-one tuition with Ed Nevius, all about technical chart reading, all the stuff you need to know. And then at the end of it, it'll give you $100 to invest as well of hard-earned money. So there you go. There it is. There are all these chances to win. 22 ways to enter right now. I add new options. I add new chances every day. You want to turn all these numbers into ticks, and every day I add new ones. Please, please, please make sure you read it. Some of you didn't read it properly and you missed out, but I managed to explain it to you. Watch this video and leave the comment, Tilray for the win. Look, as it says, always read it properly. Click the link and there you go. But there are 22 ways you can win with new ones added every day. You don't have to do them all. Remember, you can win with one ticket. It's like buying a lottery ticket. You can win with one. So there you go. 5, 6, 7. It's now gone up to 572. There you go. Some of you have just jumped in. Brilliant. Okay. CPI was a beat today. Okay. Speak of the devil. What I said a minute ago about not understanding any of this. That's what I need. There you go. There you go. 15 hours of one-on-one training. It's worth way in excess of $1,000. If you want to learn all about charts, reading, all the rest of it, how to read a Fibonacci chart, what support is, and all the rest of it, you can have 15 hours of one-on-one personalized training and $100 in cash. How good is that? It's worth way excess of $1,000. So you can have one ticket or you can have as many as you want. The more you do, the more you get. Right, let's have a quick look. It popped up, it took profits, and that's exactly what I would have done if Robinhood hadn't stopped me from doing it. But there you go, never mind. Yes, I do. Hell no, says Paul B. What's he on about? What's Paul B on about? Paul B doesn't want any money. He doesn't want any training. I didn't delete that. I didn't delete that comment. What the heck? What happened there? Message deleted by Mike. It says message deleted by Mike. I didn't delete that comment. What the heck? Let's view deleted message. Oh, that's strange. Hide user on this channel. Add as a moderator. Yeah, I can't restore it because Mike deleted it. Don't know what happened there. This is what happened to Bill. I didn't do it. This is what happened to Bill. His account was compromised. Remember how you blocked you blocked things, and then you got blocked on Discord. Sorry, you got blocked on Google. You've somehow exposed your account. It's not good. This is what happened to Bill. I would strongly recommend, Mike, that you change your password. I would log out, change your password, log back in again, and I could reapply you as a moderator. This is, are you compromised? It looks like it. This is what happened. So we'll keep an eye on that. If that happens again, I'll have to remove you as a moderator, reset your account, and I will we'll try again. But that's what happened to Bill. And he was deleting people all the time. So yeah, at some point you've been, if we just break it down, what's actually happening is Mike's been looking at naughty websites, and he's exposed himself, and now he's compromised. So it's your own fault. You need to stop looking at the wrong websites. I mean, you know, there you go. Mike's been on dodgy porn sites. Exactly. Everyone knows where he's been. Everyone knows. That's hilarious. There's nothing like it, is there? All right, come on here and get completely slayed by your mates. All right, okay. We've got 15 minutes to go, just over 17 minutes to go. Someone's trying to slay Mike. Yeah, good God. Yeah, good God's right. Mike's been exposed. Tesla going back up again. All right. I would like to just trim off a little bit. Naughty Mike. Yes. Naughty Mike. No one's got any sympathy for you, Mike. Everyone's going, yeah. Yeah. Right. Anyway. Let's go over to Discord. See what's going on over there. Nobody in the broadcast lounge just yet. Amazon going back up again. I'm trying to sell a couple of shares of Amazon. It's extremely expensive. And just trim off the top from yesterday. J&J. We've got buy orders for everything. So we're in a good position right now. We're at an all-time high again. This is my position right now. Roth IRA, we're all-time highs today. Yesterday, the highest was 51,400. I'm adding no money at all, remember. No money at all I'm adding. I don't have any money to add. I'm now just trading and investing from money itself. No gigs. I've cancelled all my gigs. My only income is YouTube, which is a few bucks a month. Sorry, a few bucks a day. At the moment, it's going up slowly, but still only just about covers my internet and phone bill and a bit of my electric and what have you. I'm making money from money now. I got my first payout yesterday, 1% from stock lending. That's really cool. And you can see now in my look at this. Look at this. I've only been investing $1,000 now, look, for a few days. Look at this. Look how much money I've earned. You might go, it's 81 cents. Why are you bothered? Absolutely right. 4.4%. I get nothing in the bank. And plus 1% on stock lending. It's free money. Why not? That just sits there. And if I need to pay a bill, that money will come out. But soon there's going to be a card with Robinhood, which enables me to actually earn cash back for my Robinhood account. Absolutely brilliant, and free stocks. Oh, by the way, I got a free Robinhood stock from Greg B. Who is Greg B? Who is called Greg B in here? Somebody yesterday used my Robinhood account called Greg B. I got a stock. I won $5 of J&J. I don't know who that was. I got a $5 of J&J. I think I can go into my history and have a little look at it. And it will tell me, and I'll share with you on the screen. Let me have a look. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. I can share this on the screen. Right, here we go. So, Greg B. Was that you? Fight Channel. Hey, brilliant. Fight Channel. We've got Barbie doll. We got Barbie in the channel. Hello. It's Fight Channel. Everyone loves your channel, by the way. Everyone's enjoying it. I'm playing it on the show as well. So Fight Channel, me. So Greg B, he used my referral. What stocks did you get? What did you get? You got some free stocks. I got $5 worth of. It can be between 5 and 500. Unfortunately, it was 5, but nevertheless, I got $5 of J&J for you doing that. So I'm very, very happy, and I hope you got something good as well. I hope you got something good. I've had people on the show, live on the show, get a full share of Apple. I mean, that's really good. That happened once live on the show. I think Rob Bernard should do it more often. Wow, you got J&J. That's the law of attraction. No, hang on. I didn't win, Eric B. I didn't win J&J. I got $5 to use on a stock. It gave me like 20. So basically, I went through and I chose one. It offered me Tesla. It offered me a whole host of stocks. So basically, common sense is you're looking for the one that's best value. So I chose J&J. I had $5 of a free stock. I chose J&J. So no, just to be clear, I chose J&J. Anyway, we've got Fight Channel in the show today. Everyone, give him a comment about his Fight Channel. Right, I wanted to give everyone the last chance today. If you are the person that set up Martyn Lucas News, if you are, just say it's you, and then change the logo, and with my blessing, you can keep your account. I want you to keep your account. Someone has set up Martyn Lucas News. I've been trying to contact that person with no success. So if I don't get any news today, I'm going to have it removed by YouTube. I want everyone to have fan channels. It's great because you can make money, you can promote yourselves, and your channels can do really well on the back of me, and I'm very happy to help people do that. And I'll promote it like Fight Channel. I show his videos. But if you try to rip off my channel and make it look like my channel, and you may not have done it intentionally, but I'm just trying to explain you can't use my logo. You can't use my logo and make it look like it's my channel. You can do your channels for fun, but you can't you can't rip off my channel and make it look like yours. So if that is you, tell me now, and all you got to do is change the logo and the name to your own channel, and that's fine. But if I don't get a response today, I'm going to have it taken down as fraud because it's copying my channel, and we can't have that. All right? So if it's yours, just tell me. It's called Martyn Lucas News. Anyway, if you you're not in trouble, just tell me, and I'll just say, right, change the logo, and because it's great. I love what you're doing. But you've just got to change the logo, and it's fine. I'm sorry, that is me. Oh, no problem. Now I know it's you, Carson with a K. You're a member to my channel. I want to help you. I have been working on the background on trying to use I'll take the logo. Right. Okay, Carson with a K. I want to help you, right? I want you to have it. Thank you very much for letting me know. I'm so pleased because I was going to have it removed today, and I didn't want to do that. So Martyn Lucas News. Okay. Basically, what you've got to do is make it look like a fan channel. A fun channel, a fan channel, whatever you like. But look, here's the problem. This is the problem. It looks like that. Look, Martyn Lucas News. See? People, everyone's going, really, Carson? You didn't think Martyn, you didn't think Martyn would notice that. It informs me of all these things, so I knew when it was done. But yeah, you can't be Martyn Lucas News. You got to change that to something else, right? It's your channel. You can't be called Martyn Lucas. You can't use my logo. All right. But I love the content, and I will get everyone to subscribe to you, and I'll help you, and it'll be fantastic because I like your content. The content he's doing is really good, by the way. He's getting my stories and putting music to it. It's really good. I like it. There you go. Look, verified. It's really good. I'll get everyone to follow it. All right. There you go. I have got some news. So I told you that I like the music. Whether I should have a... All right. I like it, and I'll get everyone to follow it and subscribe to it. Just don't make it... You know, that looks like my channel. My logo, my name, my pictures. Like what Barbie does is great. What Rob Brennan does is great. But that looks like it's my channel. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. If you can change that today, that would be great. Where's Martyn Lucas Alter Ego? Yeah, where did he go? Where did he go? A month ago, you said you wanted to do clips of... Yes, you could do clips of my show, but make it like your own. Don't make it look like it's my channel. Okay? No need to apologize. You didn't know. No need to apologize. Where's Martyn Lucas? Off to a local court then, Carson. Oh, you had to cut Lucas grass for a year. His neighbour doesn't do that for him no more. Can we chat? Can we chat later? Of course we can. We can chat. Well, I haven't got a huge amount of time, but you are a member. I can give, you can chat to me in here. But if you want to call me on Discord at the end of the show, I can give you a couple of minutes at the end of the show. Senza, I missed your comment. I'll scroll back up. If I miss your comment, please just do it again rather than me have to scroll back up. Sensei, look at the charts. BTC might be heading to 40,000 before heading back to 20 to 15. Can't call in sorry. Can't call in sorry. No worries at all. Paul B says, I agree. BTC pump will some become a complete drop off. Also, Tether printing money out of thin air. Be careful if you bought BTC. Take profits soon. Okay. Crystal Ball, you missed. I think I've got all the comments now. Right. Let me come back to the main portfolio. There we go. 7 minutes to go. Crystal Ball. Okay, you want a crystal ball prediction? Here we go. This is every time I do this now, I think I'm just making videos for Barbie. I'm making videos for Barbie. That's what I'm doing when I do this. I know what's happening. Right, I'm going to do a Barbie prediction. All right. Hey Barbie, I've got a prediction for you today. I love the fact that you love my channel, and you never answered me yesterday whether you liked whether you were the divorced Barbie or the other Barbie. Remember, I told you the story yesterday about going into the shop and buying the Barbie doll, which was divorced Barbie. She came with Ken's house, Ken's car, Ken's money, and everything else. I never heard back from you about that, so I'd like your thoughts on that. Anyway, looking into my crystal ball today, the markets popped up, and if it wasn't for Robin Hood, I would have actually sold and took some profits off the top. It's good news, but remember, inflation is still going up. It's just going up at a lower rate. And of course, what the Fed wanted to see by now was inflation coming down. And all that's coming down is the rate it's going up. Very, very important to understand. So inflation is still up. It's just the rate it's going up is not as high. We want to see inflation coming down, and after this period of time, we would have hoped so. So it's good and bad. The markets like it, but it doesn't mean to say we're going to get a runaway today. Unfortunately, there's a bit of profit taking. We've got 5 minutes to go before the bell goes. I do expect a green day. It is positive. We are going in the right direction, but this is not a bull market. It's a signal that the bull market is coming. Perhaps in the summer. I've been saying that now for 6 months. Nothing has changed. It's the same as we've always been saying. The course is carrying on the same. Just be very careful. Trim off the top. Take some profits. Keep some money on hand for bigger dips. There could be bigger dips coming, but it's all good news. It's just not fantastic news. It's not we're all about to run off to the races and make loads of money. We're just slowly moving up in a nice controlled manner. All right, there we go. There's my prediction. Will today be green? Yes, it will be green, but not as massive as we would have liked. But if we get on the next FOMC report a 0.25, which is what we expect, and the market will love certainty. They love to know what they're going to get. If we get that, but more importantly, Jerome Powell says that's it. Rate hikes are done, and we'll look at it. More than likely, we'll go a quarter or two, a month or two, with no rate hikes at all, and then the Fed could start to pivot. So by the end of the year, we could see our first pivot, and that is when we start going into a bull market. So we've got a way to go, which is great, because what you want is more time to buy the dips, right? You want some more time to buy the dips, because at the end of the day, when are you retiring? Today or in 10 years? Someone said yesterday, well, what if the market goes sideways for 5 years? It could do that. Why are you so excited? The market could go sideways for 5 years. Great. If it goes sideways for 5 years, that allows me to keep adding more and more and more as my channel grows. In 2 years, I should be at 100,000 subscribers. And then I'll start earning some money. I can keep buying it for sideways, earning those dividends. And then in 5-10 years, it starts going up. I've had 5 years to invest at the bottom. Lovely. That's exactly what we want. All right, let's get ready. We've got 3 minutes to go. I think we've got some new guests here. All good. I think I have my answers. Okay, Carson. If you need anything else, just ask me and I'll call you. I'll answer. If you want to call me after the show, I can give you a couple of minutes. No problem at all. But essentially, you just want your own logo. It's not supposed to look like my logo. Use your own name, not Martyn Lucas News. You know, you can do, Carson, Carson Stock News, and you can, I don't know, just don't use my name. And like Barbie Doll does it, it's very obviously not me. They're using my content, but it's very obviously not me. That's the way to do it. All right. Baby Yoda, good morning. Hi. Welcome to you. Hi, Yoda. Hello, Grogu. Did I miss Grogu? Was there a Grogu in here? I didn't see Grogu. Sid saying, hello, Grogu. Don't know who that was. Right, we got 1.5 minutes to go. Let's get ready to rumble. Sadly, because of Robinhood, it didn't allow me to trim off the top. And that's exactly what I was going to do. But never mind. It didn't allow me to do that. Now I'm not going to do it. Too close to the bell. And it's immaterial anyway. It's gone, done. Let's move on. Right, here we go. 1 minute to go. Good luck, everyone. Have a great day. Hope you all make some money. Here we go. Bitcoin, 30,166, up 0.5. Tilray, 256. Robinhood. SoFi. IonQ. Canoe. Ford. Rio Tinto. Thank you very much, Leah. All right, mate? That's right. Proper tea, babe, then. Here we go. 5. Ricky Dominic. Maybe we can talk about it. 3, 2, 1. Maybe. What that is called is licensing. If you want to do a membership and you could use my logo for a period of time to grow your channel, that's called licensing. I'm open to a license deal. So basically, you would be paying to use my logo. So if you wanted to, if you said, I really would like to use your logo, would you license me? Then basically, I can make a membership. That'll include that. the use of my license. I will give you certain restrictions saying what you can and can't do, and allow you for a period of time, or as long as you were on that sponsorship level, as long as you were on that membership level, the permission to use it. Yes, I could promote you and so on and so forth. But then that's a license deal. That's called a royalty. And basically, you're paying for the privilege to use something which can promote you and make you money. And that way, the person who owns the license, owns the logo, the business, gets a little bit of it as well. I'm more than happy to do that if anybody wanted to ever do that. But that's very different than just using it. Then you would be an official channel recommended by me, and you'd be paying a license to do it. And that way you could grow faster. That's an investment you're making. And you wouldn't do that for more than one person. It'd be a one-person deal. And one person would be allowed to do that, yeah. That's doable. I don't know if you were being serious or joking, but yes, I've done that in the past where someone has wanted to use my IP, something I've owned, and they've paid me a royalty for it, whether it's music, whether it's a show. In my case, I'm talking about a show, One Night in Vegas, and you can do any of those sort of things. Right, we're getting a bit of a pullback first of all. Hi, Craig. Good morning. I think Ricky Dominic was joking, but I'm just making the point. You can actually do that. So it makes you money. The S&P is going up 0.5 at the minute. It's pulling back a little bit. Virgin Galactic is going up. Virgin Orbit. News coming out today, delayed from yesterday. Rivian. Tesla. Lucid's on fire right now. Space going up again. Yeah, Virgin Galactic. It's just a general pump right now. Nothing stock related really. No reason for that. Lucid doing nicely. Apple. Amazon. See, look at that. Isn't that bloody annoying? It doesn't matter too much, because what I'll do is I'll just buy it again. Yesterday, I don't want to buy. I don't want to buy any more until it goes to 88. Really, I want to see Amazon go, very low 90s before I buy any more. It's very, very expensive. McDonald's I want to buy, still too expensive. Coca-Cola, I've got buy orders for all these things. So if we get anything that drops, I'll have it. Google, Microsoft. No. Walmart, still too expensive. Tesco, no. Next Era Energy, no. Gold and silver, great day. Good luck to those of you. Rocket Labs also going up. Still not in. I've only got one share of Rocket Labs. Oh, I apologise for the lens flare. Tilray. Robinhood. Everything's going up now. SoFi. Ford. And Rio Tinto. There we go. We're watching closely. No opportunities yet. We had a nice pop. I would have sold 2 shares of Amazon and a share of Tesla, but I missed it. We all know why. We won't talk about it again. The broadcast lounge is still open. 47 of you watching. That's a nice little crowd. 48 watching. Thank you ever so much indeed. We reported the CPI this morning. All good news, but nothing major. But some good news nevertheless. Virgin Galactic is going up. If you've just tuned in, we're looking for opportunities today. We're going to let me share with you my overall portfolio. This is my overall portfolio. So all my money in all the world here, live on air in front of you all so you can see it. Eknath. Who's Eknath? Am I missing people coming into the stream that I'm not seeing? Are you guys playing with me or something? Oh, hang on. They're not why am I not seeing that in the chat? Okay. Some people aren't appearing in the chat. Eknath, what about India inflation rate? India, Eknath, are you from India? Well, obviously you are. I didn't realise, didn't see you there. I don't know why your comment didn't come up. Eknath, what is your native tongue? Do you speak Hindi? I'm going to assume it'll be Hindi, and I'm going to welcome you in. India, we love to get our guests from India. Welcome all our friends from around the world and India. I'm assuming your native tongue is Hindi. Let me know if I'm wrong.
दुनिया भर के हमारे सभी दोस्तों का स्वागत है और भारत में मान रहा हूं कि आपकी मातृभाषा हिंदी है। अगर मैं गलत हूं तो मुझे बताएं।
We are giving away our biggest ever giveaway, $1,000 value minimum, with $100 in cash being given away for free. Ask me how to enter. It's free to enter and free for all.
हम अपना अब तक का सबसे बड़ा सस्ता $1,000 मूल्य दे रहे हैं। न्यूनतम $100 नकद के साथ मुफ्त में दिया जा रहा है। मुझसे पूछे कि कैसे प्रवेश करें। ये प्रवेश करने के लिए स्वतंत्र है और सभी के लिए निःशुल्क है।
Okay, there we go. Tesla. Amazon hasn't come back yet. No, just trying to. Here we go. This is what I would have done this morning. I would have sold there and bought back here. That's exactly what I wanted to do. But nevertheless, it's not that much of a deal. Amazon coming back up again. We'll try and trim again this time. McDonald's, too expensive. Coca-Cola, I've got buy orders, 59. 160, I've got buy orders for J&J. Google, and we want to buy it if it drops 10%. How many have we had through the stream now? Let's have a look. We've had 128. Good morning to all of you. Do you recommend sell VORB or hold it for now? It depends on your situation, where you bought in, how it affects your portfolio. I can't possibly comment on your portfolio, your risk management. I've got no idea what you've got. For me, I'm out of Virgin Orbit. It's going to be, in my opinion, it's going to be delisted, and the shareholders will get nothing. It'll reform in a different company, and it'll be worth nothing. So I don't know what your situation is, your risk tolerance is, when you bought in. Are you at a loss? I'm sorry, your tax position. It's a very complicated question. Maximilian, if you become a member, you can call in and I can go deeper into it with you. Here's the invitation to join. If you want to be part of our giveaway, here's our giveaway link coming up now. There's the invitation to join. If you want to be on Discord, here is our Discord link. I think that's very sensible reference, VORB. It says Keaton S, Virgin Orbit. Virgin Galactic going up. Want to take some profits from Tesla if it goes over above 95. Amazon. We'll try again. Once it goes to OTC, I'm not going to have my shares. Once it goes to OTC, I'm not going to have my shares. Well, what will happen is the company will be bought out and it'll reappear. This is only my opinion. I don't know what's going to happen, but I think it will reappear under a different ticker, and you'll get what you're given, as explained by 22 the other day, and you'll get a small payout. It'll be pence. It'll be 1 cent a share or something like that. You'll be the last in the queue to get any money. If you become part of our family, if you become a member, you can get a lot more information. I will give you a lot more information. There are over 20 reasons why you'd be a member. Our members will tell you they get 20 times back what they put in. So consider becoming a member of our channel, and I'm here to help you in any way I can. So consider becoming a member. All right. There we go. The overall portfolio is trying to come up. We're already up, but $51,400 yesterday was my all-time high. So we've $90 up today. It's all-time high. Yeah, we offer a membership that's there to help you. We've made it as cheap as possible, and I go to work for you. Basically, members are those, I'm subbed, you are subbed, but if you become a member, then you get many more perks. And I promise you, that's why nearly everyone who watches me live is a member. We have a membership plan. The cheapest level is just a couple of bucks a month. And it goes up. There's bronze, silver, gold, sponsorship level, a couple of bucks a month. The membership is there to help you. And you get many perks. And everybody who watches my shows, a member, will tell you they get 20 times back what they put in. I go live. First of all, the membership is there to support the live shows. Because I don't make any money from going live. All right, I make money from I live on the memberships, the super chats, and so on. If I want to make money, I'll make videos. But I'm trying to build a community. So because you become a member and support me, I go to work for you. I will make videos for you, answering your questions. You can have polls. I will celebrate your birthday on your birthday in my music studio here, or anyone that you love. Your wife, your daughter, your husband, whoever it is, I will do a celebration for you. You can have a 20-minute fundraiser concert if you have a charity you want to support. You can access Discord. You can call in live to the show. There's exclusive content only for the members. There's members meetups. We met in England this year. We're going to meet in America. There's many perks that you get as a member as thank you to supporting my channel. And then I do everything I can to help you. And you can see the members, they've all got badges after their names. It's 95% of our live viewers are members. Right, we are getting a bit of a sell-off now. It popped up, but remember, the market's priced in this potential. So it's a bit frustrating that I was unable to sell this morning when I had every intention of doing so. I could have trimmed off the top, put some more money in cash in Robinhood. Very frustrating. Anyway, here it is. If you are trading on TikTok, I'm here to help you. The place to be is not on TikTok. Join my investors and traders here on YouTube. youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. Links in the profile. And I want to put a warning out. There are over 100 people pretending to be me on YouTube. Sorry, on TikTok. Over 100. I'm all the time banning them on TikTok. They're never live. Of course, they can't go live. How can they go live? They have follow for follow. So you know they have thousands of followers because they follow thousands of people. And people are very silly on TikTok. They think if I follow back, I'm going to get famous. It's lazy, it's silly, and all it does is attract the scammers. Then they go and message you and try and sell you some dodgy crypto. I never message you at all. But what I do is I go live every day to help people. And we have our best ever giveaway. It's worth over $1,000. I'm giving it away for free live on my YouTube show, and you can have access to that. And it's not for scammers, it's not for lazy people, it's not for bots. If you want to be part of our family, join us on YouTube, and it's youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor, as it is here in the profile. And join me. Come into the link. Say I'm from TikTok. I've just come over. You can see the live chat on the screen. So I've just come from TikTok, and I would like to be in your free prize draw. $1,000 value prize. Fantastic. free to enter, free for all. I want nothing from you. I'll never message you or contact you or anything unless you win. If you win, I will message you and say you've won. How can I give you your prize? But other than that, you'll never hear from me, okay? I just go live and you watch my show live. So if you want that, come into YouTube right now. Say I'm from TikTok and I'd like to be in your free prize draw. And I will announce you out on the show that you've come over. I will see you in the chat and I will put you in our free prize draw, okay? All right. So if you want help, that's how to get help. If anybody wants to learn how to trade and invest, we're giving away 15 hours of free tuition and a cash prize for you to invest, give you the money to invest. It's the best prize we've ever done. Anyway, the VIX is recovering. I think it might turn out to be, might turn out to be the top for a while. Indeed. It's a shame I wasn't unable to sell, but there you go. Been a while since I've been here live. Hoping you're doing well. Is there a stock you don't own at the moment you're keeping tabs on? A stock that you don't own at the moment that you're keeping tabs on? No. Every stock that I want to keep tabs on, I own at least 1 or 2 shares because I like to watch it. But I can go through my entire portfolio, James. I just came over. Oh, there we go. Jason Holcomb. Jason Holcomb just came over from TikTok. Thank you so much indeed. Right, Jason. Jason has just come across. Were you the guy asking how you can learn about trading and investing? Because if so, we would like to welcome you and help you. So would all my members please put your city and country in and welcome Jason Holcomb into the channel. Jason, would you put your city and country where you're from? I'm actually from Cornwall in England, and I'm here in Texas right now. There you go. You're getting welcomes now from everybody. We aim, Jason, to be the most honest, real channel on YouTube. This is my real money, all of my real money. I go live 10 hours a day, and I'm trying to grow the most honest, real channel on YouTube. That's my aim. To give you a bit of background in me so you can trust what I'm saying, I am the world piano man. I've toured all around the world, 195 countries. I've been to every country of the world. I've toured all my life as the world piano man. This is my TV studio. And in here, I do live concerts, music, shows, events. I've raised over $1 million for my members, for charities, on my music channel, live in this studio. And now, because of COVID, I cancelled all my tours. Don't do it anymore. And I'm here to trade and invest, but most importantly, to build a community. Because when I started this, I saw that YouTube and TikTok and everything else was full of liars, scammers, people creating silly nonsense to promote themselves, to make themselves money. I don't care about myself. I love helping people, right? I toured as the world piano man, and now I'm hoping to build the most honest channel on YouTube. And I'm here to help people, right? Genuinely. So I go live up to 10 hours a day. That's the only way I can prove that it's real. It's the only way I can prove my dedication to my followers. And this is all my money. I've got no money in the bank at all. Just a couple of $100 now. Just literally a couple $100. My cash I live on is that 1,037 there. I have very minimum bills. I have no mortgage, no car loan, and I live in this studio 10 hours a day to bring you the most real channel. I'm trying to get the best channel in the world. That's what I'm trying to do, okay, with my music and my investing. And you are joined today by people all around the world. I go out in 13 different languages. This video is auto-dubbed 24 hours later, but right now the title and the description is in 13 languages, and people all around the world join in to follow my journey. And we have really great investors, really great traders, crypto experts, all kinds of people, very small and very large, who are sharing their trades with you. And everyone here has to tell the truth. We can't have anyone promoting anything, talking rubbish for their own ends. We don't do that. Because I believe if you help people and you always undersell and overdeliver, you'll always rise to the top. That's what we do, okay? So, thanks for the chat. Thanks for all the welcomes. So, we now know who you are. Everyone's giving you their countries and cities. The CPI pump has totally evaporated. Greenville, South Carolina. I'm from Texas. Wonderful to see you. Atlanta, Georgia. We've got, hi, Martin Elsky. How are you? So, that's a bit about me. We've got a bit about you. It's not about me. It's about you, remember. That's why we're here. Arton Films. Hi, Mike. Been a while since I've been here. Now living in motorhome in Devon. Wonderful. I used to live in a caravan years ago. And when I travelled all over the world, I just literally was in and out of hotels and tents and walking and all sorts. Oversell. Underdeliver. Yeah, sorry. I meant the opposite. What I meant to say was undersell and overdeliver. U&O. I apologise. It's a live show. I make mistakes, right? Okay. U&O has just become a new member. So let me welcome James as a new member. And then, of course, Jason Holcomb can learn why we have the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube when it comes to live viewers who are members. So, James, you just become a member of our channel. So, first of all, let me welcome you in and tell you what you're going to get now. Here we go. Would everybody please welcome James, our latest member. He's a bronze member. Here he comes. Fantastic. There you go. Right, James, what can you expect as a member to our channel? Well, as a bronze member, that's our entry-level membership. You are, first of all, supporting my live shows. Without the members, I would not live, all right? I don't make that many videos. I go live all the time, and going live is not how to make money on YouTube. Making videos is how to make money on YouTube. So thank you for supporting and making the live shows possible. That's how I live. So thank you very much for that. You've got a green badge, which will turn blue, yellow, and gold, and eventually red as you become a member for longer, and your benefits will increase. You can now ask me, oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Look at this incredible super chat we've just got here. Look at that. I've just got my second biggest ever super chat. The biggest ever super chat, as you know, was $100 twice. So $50 is the second biggest super chat we've ever had. Wow. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you very much indeed for that. Wow. What a super chat. You should have become a member. You get so much more. So much more. You could be one of our gold members. Anyway, thank you, Jason, for that. There are some benefits. You'll get to that in a minute. I'll come back to you in a second. So just carrying on with James a moment. You can now ask any question and I will reply to you during the shows. We have members only as well events sometimes if it gets too busy. But if you ever comment below a video on YouTube, I will reply to every one of your comments. So if you have a question, I will answer it. If you want me to do a poll, if you want me to poll the audience, I will do a poll for you in the show. If you want me to review a stock for you, I will review a stock for you. And make a video on it. As a member, if you want me to promote a stock, let's say you say, I love Virgin Galactic. I rank #1 on Google for Virgin Galactic. And you'd like me to make a video and you want to sponsor that video, you can say, right, I'm going to give you a $10 super chat and I want you to buy $10 of Virgin Galactic. I will buy $10 of Virgin Galactic, produce a video and put it out in your name, and I will make that video promoting the stock. And as I rank for #1 for Virgin Galactic, a lot of people see it. So I can do that for you. Also, as a member now, you can look below the homepage and you will see members only exclusive content. Members only exclusive content. Only members can see. If you ever go silver, I will put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel and get everyone to subscribe to you. I help all my silver members and upwards. So if you're a YouTuber, I help you. Also here, if you look in the playlist, I've got a playlist here that if you are new to investing on the stock market, there's a playlist here you might want to watch all the way through. How to invest. What is a stock? What is a dividend? What is a growth stock? All this stuff, all the information is there for you. As a member, you get all of that. Also, as a bronze member, you will get you will get a birthday celebration from my studio. Remember, I'm the world piano man. I can sing in 14 voices, 7 languages. You can have a birthday video made for you. People pay me $500 for that, and you get that for free as a YouTube member. So maybe you want to donate it to your wife or your children or yourself the day before, the day of, or the day after. I will do that for you. Okay? So many perks here as a member. And lastly, you get full access to Discord now. So here is our Discord link. Let me give you Discord right now. There's Discord. Okay, it takes 10 minutes to get through to Discord because we have the high level of security. This is Discord. When you come in, go into the welcome all. My members will now jump in and welcome you. You will come here. It takes 10 minutes to get through. There's the welcome all. Scroll down and say hello in welcome all. Welcome James. Welcome James. Ricky Dominic has just welcomed James in. Look at that, he was the first one in. Ricky Dominic, very nice. Look at Ricky, he's the first one in Discord. Welcome James in. Go into here and say hello, and I will upgrade you on the show. And then once I've upgraded you, you can call live into the show on video, or you can call in via just audio. It's entirely up to you. So I will leave that there. Wait for you to call in. And there you go. You can now get our newsletter. This is our giveaway, $1,000 giveaway. Here we go. If you want our giveaway, it's completely free to enter. There's our giveaway. You only need 1 ticket to win, but we're giving you 22 ways, and we add more every day, how you can win. It's $1,000 value. Watch the video, learn all about it, and let me refresh it. See if it's gone up today. 572 is now 572. It hasn't moved in the last hour. And every day we give you new chance to win more, to get more tickets. There you go. So that was the benefit as well of Jason Holcomb. Now, Jason, I've been watching a while over on TikTok, and I love your content. Thank you for all your time. Pleasure. Now, Jason, because you gave me a wonderful tip, you can have a request in my live music concert now, a dedication. We do music concerts maybe twice a week. We might do one tonight after the closing bell, or we'll do one on Friday night after the closing bell. And you can have a request, a dedication. Maybe you have a favorite song you'd like me to sing, and I will do it for you in one of 14 different voices. But you can have that now in my live show. Thank you very much indeed. That's it. I think I've covered everything for our new members. Ali Isles is here. Welcome, James. Thank you, Ricky Dominic. So, Jason, any questions, please feel free to ask, and I'll do my very best to answer them for you. Right, getting back to my trades right now. We are looking to take profits today on Amazon, and also we want to sell just one share of Tesla. Unfortunately, because of Robinhood's error this morning, I would have sold this morning. I would have sold 2 shares at the peak there. That's what I tried to do, and I would have had extra money on hand to buy back this dip. So I'm very annoyed with Robinhood this morning. It wasn't technically their fault. It was obviously a Google Chrome error, I would have said, but it's just a bit frustrating. Never mind. Right, the overall position. Let's have a quick look where we are. I'm going back into Discord now to see if James has appeared. Not just yet. The Discord lounge is open if anybody wants to call in. That was a great super chat, wasn't it? Wasn't it? Absolutely brilliant. Right, there we go. Roth IRA. 51,000. We're $8 up from our all-time high. No questions now. Just enjoying the wonderful content. Jason Holcomb, thank you very much indeed. If I could ask you, now you're here. I'm the world piano man. I've toured all over the world. I've done support for Elton John. I've performed as the Phantom of the Opera. This is my music channel, and check it out. You might like some of my music. There we go. I'll give it to you twice in the chat. And we have live concerts. You can see videos of me here when I have a video with Sir Paul McCartney. This is me with Elton John's jacket that he gave me. That's an circle of the Lion King. There's Jesus Christ Superstar. There's Phantom of the Opera. There's my Vegas Showgirls. If you want to see one of my big shows, go and check it out. All right. And for all of those of you that are helping my channel because I neglected it due to this channel, there's my fundraiser for Turkey and the earthquake victims. Click a playlist and I'll update you now where we are with our watch hours. We need to get to 4,000 watch hours. We are stuck right now at 3,100, but we went as low as 2,500, remember. Thanks to all of you, we're on the rise again. Right, what opportunities do we have? Unfortunately, we've gone $50 lower. It looks like the sell-off has begun. It's a great shame. I would have trimmed today if Robinhood hadn't have had that issue with the selling with security. But there you go. Thanks, love Elton. All right. Do you want? I tell you what. Here we go. It's a little bit funny, this feeling inside. I'm not one of those who easily hide. I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind. I put down in words how wonderful life is. Now you're in the world. There you go. Little voice. You did give me a $50 super chat, so there we go. Go and check out my Elton John music. All right. Just a bit of Elton John for Jason Holcomb. We're looking to... I think we've got James arrived in Discord. So, James, in YouTube. Can all my friends welcome him in, please? If all my members could welcome him in. James, is this you on YouTube? Sorry, is this you in Discord? I need to ask you on YouTube because people pretend to be you and get your benefits, and we can't give away your benefits. I need to go, please reply on YouTube. I need to confirm that is James, because somebody else could be pretending to be him. So, James, is that you? So, I'll wait for James a moment. I'll come back. James, is that you? Please confirm. It's you. Hi, yes, that's me. Fantastic. All right, so now what I'm going to do, because we are a financial channel and we're trying to protect everyone from scammers, James, you've confirmed that's you. So the first thing I'm going to do is change your nickname. So we all know that you are James, as you are here on YouTube. It's only changing it in my server. You are still your own name, but just here on my server. Okay, James. There you go. I've now changed you to James. Now I'm going to give you membership so you can have all the perks and benefits. So, roles, member. Okay, you are now a member. Now, on YouTube, on Discord, sorry, as a member, you can now see the broadcast lounge here. You can call into the show. If you come into this lounge here, you can call in, ask me a question, either on video or just audio. But you can now see all these YouTube members. If you ever go silver, you can have your own channel as well to promote your business or whatever you want to do. You can now see all the exclusive content. You can get Ali Tisrow's tips. If you want to go in there, Ali Tisrow's tips about crypto, our $1,000 to $10,000 crypto challenge. I'm on the 1,000 and I've made, already I'm up like 35% with no risk, no stress, no drama. I don't have to worry about it. Ali takes care of all of that. So there you go. You can see all these Ed Nevish's scalp trading tips, all of these and other things as well. There you go. Congratulations, you are fully in the club now. Why is inflation so high at the moment? Why is inflation so high at the moment? Well, that's a very big question, Mr. Cornwall. If you become a member, I will give you, I will break it down and go into great detail over it. As a member, I'll answer all your questions, but I have to focus right now on the members' questions. That's a very long, a very detailed answer for your question. And if you become a member, as I say, I will spend more time going through all that for you. Anyway, I have to focus right now on the members, Mr. Cornwall. But thanks for asking. I'm sure the members might give you some answers in the chat. Right, we're going back up again. We're getting a second chance at it. Now then, Virgin Galactic, 80% chance of a flight this week. Nothing confirmed. Virgin Orbit about to be listed. 9 cents a share now. Rivian. Tesla. Want to sell one at 195 to 200. Lucid. Straight back down again. Apple. Amazon. I don't know if it's going to go much lower. I'd like to buy it lower than this. Add to my position at least. McDonald's, too expensive. Coca-Cola, I'm already in. J&J, buying at 160. That's my target price. Google. Microsoft, like to buy these if they dip more. Walmart, want to buy if it goes down 20%. Tesco, want to buy at 7. Next year at Energy, I'm in for the dividends. Enphase, I want to buy. It's very expensive. I've already got 6 shares. So I'd like to buy some more. Bitcoin has broke through 30,237. Let's have a quick look at my overall position and then we'll share with you the heat map. This is my overall position here. Roth IRA. 51,000. We're up $61 today. It's an all-time high. We were slightly higher an hour ago, but nevertheless. Hello, how's it going? T.O. Roll, welcome to the show. Welcome all. Hi all. I do quite enjoy doing that. It's a bit of fun, isn't it? I don't know how to delete yet. Not very well. I'm getting better. It's a new little app thing I'm using. Anyway. Ah, broken it now. There we go. Turn off the grid. There you go. I like to do that. It's a bit of fun. Right, here is the heat map. Amazon, Nvidia is down the worst today. Remember, this is a 15-minute delay. Let's look at our crypto challenge with Ali Tisro. 1,133. This is my Bitcoin held on my ledger. 1,125. Very nice. Very good indeed. So our Coinbase challenge, our $1,000 to $10,000 challenge. That's what I'm on. 1,158. 1,158. There it is. Okay, and back to the overall position. If you've just tuned in and you're not taking part yet in our giveaway, here is our giveaway. $1,000 value, our biggest ever cash giveaway and biggest ever prize. There you go. There is the page, martynlucas.com/giveaway. Let's have a look. Have we got any more tickets gone today? 572. Remember, you can win the prize with just one ticket. No, it hasn't changed in the last hour. Okie dokie. Bitcoin. Stocks are rising. I am looking to trim 1 share of Tesla and 2 shares of Amazon. That's it. That's it. That's all the profits I want to take today. Nothing else. I do want to buy low. I've got $3,000 to spend. Hello over there on TikTok. If you're over there on TikTok and you want to be part of our main show and you want to be in our $1,000 value giveaway, Just the link's in the profile, youtube.com/@ Martyn Lucas Investor. Come into YouTube and say, I'm from TikTok and I would like to be in your free prize draw, and we'll put you in. All right? Do you have more confidence in Bitcoin or Ethereum? I have more confidence in Bitcoin. Quite honestly, I use Ethereum for gas fees to pay to do my NFTs and transfer things around and what have you. But essentially, for holding long term, I'm just holding Bitcoin. And everything else, all my other altcoins, stuff like that, I'm trading in and out with Ali Tisrow's Crypto Challenge. And that's what we're doing there. All right. 165 through the stream. Let's see if we gained any more subscribers today. Let's have a quick look. 7,179. Hey, we gained another couple in the last few minutes. Very nice indeed. Now then, we've got 42 watching and 30 likes. Please smash the like button. It really, really helps. Let's put a timer up. Let's get 40 likes, can we? Zoom on in. Look, there's 42 watching. By liking the video, it shares it to more people, and we get to meet more people around the world. So you ready? 1 minute. Let's see if we can get a few more likes on the video. It really helps me. By simply liking the video, it helps the channel grow. There we go. We're at 30 likes now. See if we can get to 35 at least. We've got 41 watching. And underneath, of course, you see all my merchandise. 25% discount, the highest ever discount we've ever had on the channel if you want any of my merchandise, and I will customize it for free with your name on it. 31, there we go, it's going up slowly. 13 seconds to go. 32, yay! Thank you very much indeed. 32, we did get up a bit more. That's absolutely brilliant. Okay. Amazon, coming back up again. Let's see if we can make some money from it again. Coca-Cola, J&J, Google, Microsoft. Smash the like, Eric B. Yes, indeed. Thank you very much, Eric. Okay, we're getting a nice bounce now. It's coming back up again. So we are at an all-time high again today. 51,486. We're up 86 bucks. Our aim is to make 200 bucks a day, one way or another. That's what we try to do. Gain 200 bucks every day without putting any money in, just by trading, scalp trading, swing trading, long-term investing. It's all combined. Virgin Orbit. Rivian. Tesla. No opportunity. Nothing's cheap enough to buy and nothing's high enough to trim. So we're just waiting for the right moment. There's nothing yet. Nothing yet. J&J, Google, Microsoft, Walmart. Let's look at artillery. News on Germany today. It's already priced in though, I'm afraid. So don't get too excited about that. Robinhood. I've got buy orders for all these stocks. So I don't have to. I've got no emotion, no stress, no drama at all. There's my, look, you can see, look, my upcoming buy orders. They're already placed. SoFi, IonQ. IonQ's got a bit of momentum. That could no, I'm going to keep my powder dry for other things. We've got the earnings reports coming up soon, so we're going to get opportunities when the earnings reports come up. So if you look below on the homepage, you will see all the earnings we've got coming up. we got J&J, we got Tesla, we got Next Era Energy, Coca-Cola. We're covering all these on our show. We don't miss any of the earnings. That's all coming up as well. Let's go over Jason Holcomb. Just subscribed. Ah, look at that. He's just subscribed on Twitch. Well, you've done that at the right time, because we're going to give away a cash prize on Twitch. Thank you so much indeed. We've got a new subscriber this morning on Twitch. That's been very quiet for ages. I was just about to sort of say we're going to give up on Twitch to promote the channel, but that's a nice little treat. Didn't expect that this morning. Jason Holcomb coming on in, and I don't know why it's not showing yet. I just heard it come through. I don't know why it's not showing, but I'm sure it will shortly. American Airlines is 7% down this morning. Thank you for that news, Eric B. Let me go and check some breaking news for you. I'm just seeing that Amazon is starting to move. Tesla. These are all the two things I want to make money from today. Let's have a quick look here. Nothing really coming out of Bloomberg right now. My Sky News. US President arrives in Dublin.
Part of that 4-day trip, both political and personal, a formal trip, but also one that'll be full of family too. And as Joe Biden will step off that plane, we anticipate in the next few minutes, it will be embassy staff who will greet him and also senior members of the Irish government.
It's raining again in Dublin. It's always bloody raining.
Very shortly by motorcade, and he'll travel north to County Louth, honouring the ancestors that he speaks so fondly of. And it will be the Finnegan line that he'll be tracing.
There we go. That's breaking news. If we get any breaking news, that's really important. I bring it to you live on the show, of course. Very, very important to do that. Interest rate at 4.5. Rocket startup relatively pivot weeks after first test flight. Rocket Labs. Information on...
players of the team boarded their official team bus.
Nothing really there. Argentina's epic drought sends economic crisis to new extremes. The poor people of Argentina are having such a hard time right now. Lucid, Apple, Amazon. Had a little ripple, then sold off again. So nothing yet. I gave up on keeping it alive. Yeah, I don't like airlines at all. They're too subsidized. They're just not cash cows. They're cash drains. They just lose money all the time. I don't touch airlines, I'm afraid. Not as an investment. I'll happily be a customer, but not as an investment. I don't see it. Never seen it. I know there's opportunities from time to time, but not really for me. Coca-Cola. Let me stand back and look at my Coca-Cola now. 4.64 up on my brokerage account. Oil stocks in 10 minutes. More important now, considering what's helped the CPI figure. Yes, 22. Thank you very much for bringing that information. That is important. As 22 pointed out, the biggest, what's the word I'm looking for? I've just lost the word. Not instigator, but the biggest influence over the CPI today was oil, and we're going to get the figures. Let me go over and look at it right now. It's 9:30, yeah, 10 minutes. Bank of America Governor Bailey's speech. That was earlier. EIA gasoline stocks change. EIA crude oil stocks change. So we're looking at that. So that comes in exactly 10 minutes exactly from now. So we'll report that. The figures and whatever Bloomberg gives us, we'll have that on the screen for you. Okay. Let me go to Discord. The broadcast lounge there's no one in there. I've got a message from Carson. Let's have a little look. I will read that message shortly, Carson. I can't read it at the moment. In fact, I'll have a quick look at it. No, Martyn Lucas News, you can't do. You can't use my name. You can't use my name like that because it looks like it's my channel. So you've got to do, the name is not important. The content is what's important. Use your own name. Like the Barbie thing does. His fight channel. Do your own name. Don't try to pose as me. That's not the way to go. My idea was to make shorts of quick recaps of your morning show. No, that's great. Yep, perfect doing all the recaps. I figure those who haven't always watched the show. Yes, it's a great idea. Yeah. Yep. I will. No, you don't have to apologize. It's no issue whatsoever. Just don't use the logo, don't use my name, and you refer to me in it, but make it a fan channel. I meant the Twitch, Martin. Let's have a look. I gave up keeping it alive too. Sorry. Oh, you're talking about Twitch. Yes. It's hard to do so many things, and to be honest with you, Mike, really, we're growing so well on YouTube now. It's just focusing on YouTube. It's Mike's fault, yeah. Just focus on YouTube and Twitter. So we got the main channel, YouTube, and we got the Twitter for the correspondence either side. Of course, Discord is our social platform, but our Twitter is our commercial for what we're doing here, and that's it. I think that's the focus. That's the focus. Facebook, I'm streaming on Facebook, but I don't give it any time really. I mean, I'm there all the time. I'm streaming all the time there, but YouTube is where it's at. It's the second biggest search engine in the world. It's obviously the way to go. So, that's what we're doing. Let's have a quick look. Let's watch closely now. Are we getting any opportunity to make any money here this morning? $200 a day is our target. And we're up 90. Arrivals down 12 cents now, 5.3. I got a lot of grief yesterday on StockWits. Unbelievable. Really angry people who don't like me saying that Arrival's going bankrupt. They get so angry. Such silly people. All they want to do is deceive each other like a band of thieves. They go on Reddit. I see it, and I see my videos get quoted. This guy's a scammer. He's a cheat. He's this and that and the other. And I say, I'm live all the time. Everything you see is real. Oh no, you don't know what you're talking about. Arrival's the best thing in the world. It's blah 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 blah. Same thing with Lucid. And I say you're the same people that are shorting it, aren't you? And they're on Reddit in different names. They think I don't know. I spend my life online. I study it all. 10 hours a day. You think I don't know what you're doing? And they basically promote a stock, tell everybody it's going to go up to $1 million. Silly people online believe it. I'm amazed that people still believe rubbish from unqualified idiots on Reddit and StockWits, but they do. Up goes the stock. They all promote it together. The CEO of Mullen, or the CEO of not the CEO of Lucid, but the false stories break with Lucid. The false stories break with Arrival. They put out silly stories that are untrue. The stock goes up. Everyone promotes it, and the very same people, they're a bunch of merry men, they're friends, then start selling it off on each other, dumping it. So one of their friends, or some of the gang will end up holding a bag of a stock that's going bust. And it's incredible. And then they expect those people to back them again next time. It's like, a bunch of idiots running around talking rubbish, and then they don't like me because I'm growing and getting bigger every day. They don't like me saying this is rubbish and this is nonsense, and they don't like it. And one guy come on Stockwitch yesterday and said, I'm blocking you. And I said, great, block me, don't watch me. I don't ask you to watch me, you know. I put my content out because I enjoy doing it, you know. Well, I'm blocking you. Well, block me then. I don't care. And don't watch it. But you're not going to stop me from, you know, bringing out the truth and the news. And you can carry on all you like. It makes no difference to me. But I'm not losing money. You know, I'm making money consistently every day. And you do what you want, you know. I love the shorters and people that make up the stories because it gives me opportunity. The other day, I made 140%, I think it was, on Lucid. A breaking story that was untrue. I proved it was untrue. The stock went up 140%. I sold it. Oh, you're an idiot. The stock's going to $100 a share or something like that. I said, I've made 140%. That's more than I can make on the S&P in 20 years. What the hell are you talking about? If you make 140%, it doesn't matter. As Peter Lynch explains this. If you've got a stock and it keeps going down, people just think, well, it can't go any lower. When do I buy it? It's not about buying a stock that's going down. It's about buying the company that has value. Cheap is irrelevant. What is cheap? People go, well, you know, Arrival's cheap. It's 12 cents. It's only worth 12 cents. It doesn't make any money. It's worth less than 12 cents. Well, how much lower can it go? How much lower can it go? It can go to zero. That's how low it can go. And people start going, well, it can't go any lower. It's 12 cents. Well, of course it can. It can go down 100%. It can go down to zero. I'd rather buy a stock. I'd rather buy a Berkshire Hathaway. I'd rather buy $1 million stock that had $1 million of value than a stock worth 11 cents and it's worth zero. It's obvious. And it doesn't matter when you buy a stock or how much it goes for. Remember, the stock is just the share price. It's not the value of the company. It's just the share price. If I buy a stock for $1 or $100 and it goes up 100%, 100%, same as it is at $1 or $100. Well, the stock at $100 that's got quality in value and the company make money is more likely to go up than the stock that's rubbish and loses money in it. It's obvious. You don't buy it because it's cheap. You buy it because it's got good value. And people confuse value with being cheap. And they don't do the research. And the people on Reddit are too busy talking and spreading lies. They haven't got time to read the balance sheet. They're not reading the balance sheet. They're not looking at the facts. They're just looking at Reddit posts. And and then they go, I'm blocking you. I go, good, block me then. I don't care. Anyway. I gave up on Amazon Prime, Twitch 2. Amazon Prime wouldn't pay because I joined without your link. You can always change that. Anyway, it doesn't matter. We don't need to talk about it. It's not an issue. It's I don't like asking everyone to do 100 things, you know. You all watch YouTube, you share the posts on Twitter. That's all we need to do. All right. Same with TikTok now. I let TikTok take care of itself. I've got nearly 32,000 followers. I don't make as many videos there as I used to because I focus on YouTube. But, you know, today we got a great guest come from TikTok, didn't we? That's how it works. But don't spend all my time chasing people on TikTok. Because to be fair, most people on TikTok, 99% of TikTokers are scrolling through. They're not investors, they're not traders, they're not looking to spend more than 3 seconds watching a video. Well, they're not investors, are they? You know, so every now and again you find someone of quality and they come over to YouTube. And remember, YouTube is owned by Google. Google is the biggest search engine in the world. This is the professional platform. This is where you need to be. This is where you make a living. This is where you can be discovered and grow. So this is my focus. Anyway. Let me just quickly check as we're watching at the stocks. We're going to end the show in a minute, do day trader of the day. I think we're going to wrap up pretty soon. Let me just check my Discord a minute. Okay, no one in the breakfast lounge. I just wanted to check that. Yeah, we're going to get off now. I've got some videos I've got to try and complete today, if I can. Okay, that covers that. Bank of Canada holds rates at 4.5% and sees soft landing. Canada, that's good. That's important news. Okay, here we go. Here's the breaking news now. EIA crude oil inventories actual 0.597 million, forecast down 0.105. Previous down 3.739 million on the macro. Thank you ever so much, 22, for bringing that up. Let me bring it from Discord now. US stocks relief rally reined in after CPI data. Just bringing you the news now as it comes out. Emerson to buy National Instrument. Oh, hang on, that's just gone now. Just about to read that out and it disappeared. Let's see where the market goes from here. Let me go over to here. So we're giving up the gains. We're still up $22. We still gained. We still got an all-time high. But we want to get $200 a day from our portfolio. That's what we want to do. That's why I was trying to sell Amazon. The target is $200 a day. If I could have sold up here, hang on, if I could have sold my 2 shares up here and sold one share of Tesla that I wanted to trim up here, I would now be buying back. So I would have made profit. I would have stopped this loss here and I would have bought back where we are now and grown it again. So that's what I would have done if I hadn't been prevented from if I was able to do that, but Robin had stopped me from doing it because of security checks, but never mind. Right, let's do day trader of the day. I think we're going to wrap up today's show. I wonder if we got our new member today, Jason Holcomb. I wonder if Jason is still here. Oh, he is. Jason Holcomb is still here. Right. Jason and James. Is James still here? Yes, James is still here. Yes, they're both still here. I'm going to give you guys my Twitter account. This is where I post my polls, my trades before I make them, before I do them live on the show. Here is my Twitter. Please follow me on Twitter. This is what I use in between when we're live. So if I'm going to sell something and, excuse me, or I'm going to do something, you can see me do it live. All right. So there you go. There is my Twitter account. And here is our giveaway. If you want to take part in our giveaway. It helps promote the channel and it also gives you the chance to win a $1,000 value prize. Feds barking. I put particular focus on core inflation. There's still more to do there. We all agree. We all agree. Absolutely. That's why I wanted to trim off Amazon and I wanted to trim off Tesla. Just prevent you from doing so. So annoying watching it go down now. I would have done really well out of that. But there you go. I'm not bitter at all. Only bloody frustrated. Anyway. Today's CPI report was pretty much as expected. There we go. So nothing major. The bear market is still a bear market rally. And there we go. I definitely see a reduction in demand. That's good. That's what we want. It's going in the right direction, just not at the pace we'd like it. Got to have patience, but patience is our friend, because what we want is more time to invest more. Because at the end of the day, if you're retiring tomorrow, you want the markets to go up tomorrow. If you're retiring 10, 15 years, which is what I am, or maybe I'll never retire, I want it to go sideways for as long as possible. It's obvious. I keep telling my wife that because she's, she invests, got a 401k. Everyone who has a regular job has a 401k, right? And she's going, oh, 401k's down. Well, everyone's 401k's down over the last couple of years because everything's going down. I said, babe, it's great because you're putting more and more in now when it's down. That's what you want. You want that for the next 5 years. Until you retire, you want it to be down and then you want it to take off again when you retire. You don't want it to keep going up and up and up. What's the point of that? You want to keep paying more and more for stocks? No, you want it to go down. That's what you want. You don't want the economy to fail. You don't want the companies to fail. That's no point. But what you want is people selling off for fear. That's what you want. And the company's still strong. But go into recession, it slows down. That's when we typically hit the bottom and then take off again. When is a reduction in demand bad news? When is a reduction in demand bad news? That's the question, because at some point it is terrible news. When is reduction in demand bad news? Of course, right now, nobody wants a reduction in demand. In a bull market, in a low inflation market, when the markets are back to normal and everything is growing again, nobody wants a reduction. You want everyone buying things, you want everyone building things, you want everyone spending money. That's exactly what you want. You want growth. But right now, we want reduction in demand. We want people to be laid off, unemployed. We want we want demand to be going down. Because if demand goes down, people get laid off. Employers can pay less for wages. They can bring inflation down because that gets passed on to the customer, right? Whereas when everything is booming and everything is going up, everyone's employed. Employers have to pay more money to attract employees, so costs go up and so on. We need bad news now. Bad news is good news. But when inflation starts coming down, and when I mean coming down, the rate of inflation is coming down, but I mean actually coming down. When inflation actually starts coming down and we start turning bullish, and we can get back at 2%, which is the Fed's target, then we want everyone to be employed. Well, we want everyone to spend money. We want, growth to occur again. But everything right now, bad news now is good news because we need to get inflation down. The Fed has made it their number one goal. Until inflation is back at 2%, they're going to keep tightening, and that is the way it is. So bad news is good news for now. Eventually, we want good news to be good news again. Space is going down. Yep, I know. And I've got my buy order at 318. That's exactly why I didn't buy yesterday. I told you I'd set my buy order at 318 on my Roth. Here it is. There it is. There's my buy order. Only 50 shares at 318 because it will go lower. The reason for 50 shares is at 50 shares at 318, it'll trigger it. I'll have some shares at a nice low price, and then I will set a buy order for 310, and I'll buy 100, and eventually I'll work my way back up again. But that's why I've got that set there. I'm only annoyed because my Tesla and Amazon should have been sold this morning. You're getting sick of me saying, aren't you? I can hear you all at home saying, yes, we know. We know what you're saying. Stop saying it. But anyway, I'm repeating it because people are coming in all the time and I want everyone to understand what's going on. Everything else, inflation is sticky. Yes, they can afford to pause rates and keep it for a while now, says Sensei. Space going down. Fed barking. If you want to get inflation back to target, you need several months of it heading there. Indeed. I don't want to declare victory on inflation too soon. Absolutely right. They're doing all the right things. Won't be surprised with a 0% hike then in 3 months next earnings for the companies. How rates are really affecting them then a crash. This is what I'm expecting. 0.25 in a few weeks' time with the Fed. Then I'm expecting no rates at all, no rate hikes for the next 2 or 3. And then if that all goes well, then we'll start seeing a pivot. The earnings season, which we've got now coming up in the next few weeks, is an opportunity. These are the let me refresh that a minute. These are the here we go. These are the earnings. We're covering all the earnings on the 18th of April. J&J on the 19th. Tesla. Next year, Energy on the 20th, Coca-Cola on the 24th, and the other ones that are at the same time, because there are some at the same time, we will pop in and out of as well, of course, so you don't miss those. But these are the ones we're covering live all the way through. I didn't hear it, so can you talk about it? Follow your soul. I can repeat it for my members, I'm afraid. I can't. I have to focus on my members. Follow your soul. If I got time, I will come back to you, but I have to focus on the members. If you want to be a member and I'll focus on you as well, then I can. But I can't repeat the entire show. You can rewind it and see back. But if you want me to go over the whole thing that happened this morning, I can only really do that for my members. Otherwise, I would be repeating my show over and over again 20 times a day. A lot is going down. Yeah, that's why I was trying to take profits. I won't mention it again. Virgin Galactic, yep. Buys at 318. Virgin Orbit being delisted. Rivian. Tesla. 185. Just have patience. I'm seeing a cooling in demand, but I'm waiting for inflation to break. I'm not seeing any evidence of that yet. There you go. So it's patience. We're moving in the right direction, but this is an opportunity to buy the dips when they come. But don't spend all your money on the first dip, though. Remember, you've got to give it time. You've got to get a big enough dip to be worthwhile, and then take profits when you can get a pop. I need to see inflation down at the target rate over successive months. Thank you for all this great input. 22. I love your input to our show. Really, really great. Microsoft. There's no opportunity today. There's nothing to trim off the top now. We missed the pump this morning. Nothing to buy yet because we have greater losses to absorb. We'll get PCE and ECI data on Friday before the meeting, and both are crucial. Tilray. We bought at 150, as you remember. I said 150 could be the bottom. I did set a buy for 205. I'm not buying it though. We're down 180. And the reason why we're down 1.8% is because I bought at 260 and then I bought at 250, and that's why my average is 256. Okay, so I'm down slightly. But I'm not buying anymore because that's my allocation. There's no need. I've got money, but I would rather not buy anymore. There's no point overspending, overweighting on a stock like that. Robinhood, my next buy is at 950. Want to get some more at 950? Just keep buying it when it goes down. I like Robinhood. Robinhood's struggling right now, but the rates, I want the rates to keep going up so I can earn more interest. No good if you've got a mortgage, but if you're a saver, it's great. Well, if you're a saver with Robinhood, it's great. The banks aren't giving you anything. They're stuffing you right over. Anyway. We are red. We've gone red. Okay. I'm going to get out of here. And it's time to go. Yeah. There we go. We are 200 down now on my all-time high. We had a pop this morning. We were up $200. Unfortunately, we're down now again, but that's okay because we're moving in the right direction. So more reason to stay in the market. If we can go down and pick up some discounts, that's what we want. But make sure that you set a good drop, decent drop. You want to make some decent money. Let's do day trader of the day and let's end our show. All right. I wonder if we got our two friends to follow us on Twitter. 592. I put the link in the chat. No, I don't know if they're still watching. Strategy and 1 out of 140 Bitcoin to... hang on, let me just read this. Strategy and 1 out of 150 Bitcoin to miss existence. I'm not sure I understand that. Oh, Sensei has retracted it. Before I posted it as he retracted it. I think he misspelt that. We'll try that again. Right, go to your main portfolio. PPI Thursday, by the way. Thank you. We'll cover it. MicroStrategy owns 1 out of 140 Bitcoins. Bloody hell. That's not good, is it? So if MicroStrategy sold, like Satoshi Nakamoto, stock would go to zero. Well, not zero, but you know what I mean. Can't go to zero because some will never be sold. Anyway, let's have a look. I'm down at the moment, but it's starting to come back up again. This could be the bottom for today. I'm going to call it as the bottom for today. So you might want to buy in here. 1.3%. So I'm just out of the money very slightly. There you go. Hardly anything at all. I think we've got the bottom today. This time of the day, 9:45 Central Time. I think we've hit the bottom for the day. That's what I think. I think this is a buying opportunity now. Not for me because it's not low enough, but nevertheless. Let's put a minute on the clock. Down 0.13. Down 1.39. Down 0.4. I'm winning at the moment. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla, 185. It's not cheap enough. Not cheap enough to buy anymore. Down 1. Looks like I'm going to win this morning. Okay, so this morning I win. They're very good. I've won a lot this year. Change of strategy. It's done me well. So thank you to me for my honest trade. You're welcome. Give myself the thumbs up and I'll take the win this morning. There we go. Very, very happy with that. I'm happy with that. Portfolio is solid. Really good. Yeah, I'll take the win. Anytime I can get it. Okay. Down 2%, Sensei. Congratulations. Thank you, guys. I've won quite a bit this year. Taking profits wherever I can. It actually works. What's my history of Tesla buys on my Roth? Let's have a quick look. 177, 181, 184, 181, 177, 181. Yeah, it's a little high. Even though I see there's a slight opportunity there. There is a little bit, I think. I'm not gonna buy another one though. I'm gonna wait for lower. I'm going to hold. Very often, again, I know all the things that I do, and I learn every time, at least I try to. I note that sometimes, very often, no action is better than action. 9 times out of 10, it's better to actually wait and do nothing and just hold than it is to react quickly. I have to go now. See everyone later. See Mike, thanks for being here. Vorb, yep, no surprise. Welcome to our guests from Korea. Let's bring our guests in this morning from Korea. There we go. Welcome our guests from around the world and especially in Korea. Welcome to you today. Okay. Especially in Korea. For some reason it went beer. Welcome our guests from around the world and especially in Korea. Welcome to you today.
전 세계, 특히 한국에서 온 손님을 환영합니다. 오늘 오신 것을 환영합니다.
All right, time to roll the credits. Time to get out of here. Thank you very much for being here. Videos coming out shortly today. And time for me to rock and roll down the road. We got some great tips today. Thank you very much for those who supported my channel. Absolutely amazing. There we go. That's better. Press the wrong button there. Let's thank our stars of the show. Let's get out of here. So the stars of the show, Jason Holcomb gave me my second biggest ever super chat today. As you know, that the best ever was two $100 super chats. Today I got a $50 super chat from Jason Holcomb. Thank you very much indeed. Can't believe that. What a lovely gesture that was. I now owe him a song on the music show. We might do a music show tomorrow night. We'll see. Or maybe tonight. We'll see. But definitely Friday. Subscriptions, Jason Holcomb also subscribed. Members as well. James, got a new member. So today was a good day. CPI came in good. It's nothing amazing, but we're moving in the right direction. But still a long way to go. But it could be a 0.25. And then we'll start to pause. Not pivot. Don't see any pivoting at all, but we might pivot. Sorry, we might pause. Okay, that's it from me. I will see you all back later. Look out for the videos. Thank you very much indeed. Have a wonderful afternoon wherever you are around the world. Thank you ever so much, everyone. Can you show me how to trade? Yes, we are giving away a $1,000 training program and $100 cash. If you want that, it's on youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. That's where I am live right now. The show is ending. I'm running out of time. And we're giving you the training for free, one-on-one, and we're giving you $100 to invest as well. If you want to go directly to the competition page, it's martynlucas.com/giveaway. All right, join us there and you can be in our free prize draw. It's free to enter, free for all. I'll never message you. I will never contact you. I'll never sell you anything. I will just give you a one-on-one training program for 15 hours and I will give you $100 cash to invest in your own portfolio. That's it from me. I want to win, says Eric B. I want to win it. It's a brilliant prize. All right, that's it. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your money. Take care of your crypto and each other. See you all back in a bit. Bye-bye for now.